What are we doing with SDGs? We're leaving no one behind. So we are putting a program for cities and metros and local municipalities to start reporting on voluntary local reviews. So it's a project that is funded by UNDP, UNDESA, SALGA, and DPME. Currently, we are getting Stats SA to work with us through data, because without data, you can't do SDGs. And without inclusive participation, you can't do SDGs. So communities are very key for us to start reporting and changing the narrative of the society. So everything happens where? At local government. So everything started in municipalities. So we really need to ensure that we implement the SDGs by including citizens, communities, private, business that are also playing a key role in our sector. So this project that we're doing at Salga is going to assist municipalities at least to start to report on SDGs. We are only having the city of Cape Town in South Africa that managed to report in 2019. So currently we are adding other 12 municipalities to be able to write up the project. And we are really doing fairly. They've submitted their first draft for now, and that's going to be also be part of the country report in 2024, which we are looking forward to engage also communities, as stakeholder engagement is very key, so that we own the report, all of us. One of the things that we are also doing is that we are including also departments that are responsible for different SDGs. Example, if we are doing keys and strong institutions, it means all the institutions that are dealing with partnering on anything that needs to work with governance are going to be part of this. Universities are going to be part of us because they are also having data and researches. When you go to the one that is not here on good health, you really need to have Department of Health working with us, because society now is being affected by a lot of challenges, and without well-being of societies, our cities are going to be affected in future. So there is a need for us to also include in that SDGs, because by building a proper society, we really need to deal with health issues, the mentality of people that are being dealing with these issues. I can give an example with COVID-19. We only focus on people that were tested positive, but we didn't focus on people that are supposed to be providing services. Local authorities had challenges, officials that are working with the communities. Nobody said a lot about them, but they were providing services during difficult time. So we really need to also look at their mental health and ensure that at least while we are providing services, that SDG is also very key. Climate change, it's a new challenge that we are faced with, and we really need to ensure that our cities, as part of urban planning and development, they are playing a key role to ensure that we respond, we are resilient to the challenges that we are faced with. And what I wanted to talk about also is that SDG number 5 is also very key, gender equality. Without that, we can't deal with all the issues. But 17, it's key for all of us to start working together so that we can be able to address the issues that is affecting the globe. It doesn't matter whether you are rich or you are poor, but we all need to partner somewhere, somehow, and provide the resources for those that are in need in different countries. City-to-city cooperation are very key for SDGs. If you want to deal with proper with SDGs, get someone who has done it so that they can also include you in your application of writing the SDGs. So we really need to start partnering on all these issues so that we are able to ensure that we are meeting the 2030 deadline.